Welcome back to Auto Legends, the channel where performance meets prestige. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at something that's turning heads, not just for what it is, but what it represents. This is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a radical leap into luxury touring, built for those who demand both performance and opulence on the road. At first glance, it's unmistakably Ferrari. Even before you see the badge, the aggressive front fascia, the flowing lines, and the aerodynamic stance make it obvious. This isn't your typical motorhome. Ferrari has taken their motorsport DNA and infused it into a touring vehicle, and the result is something the world hasn't seen before. The exterior is bold, sleek, and unmistakably Italian. You get sculpted bodywork that integrates active aero components, just like Ferrari's top-tier hypercars. Vents along the side aren't just for show. They actively channel air to cool the hybrid powertrain and improve highway stability. The paint, of course, comes in Ferrari's signature Rosso Corsa, but there are bespoke options available, including a matte silver with carbon fiber accents that's already catching attention at European showrooms. The motorhome sits on a custom carbon aluminum chassis developed by Ferrari's racing division. It's lower and wider than any RV on the market, and that stance translates into road presence. LED matrix headlights wrap around the nose in a distinctive horseshoe shape, while the rear sports a full-width light bar and an integrated active spoiler that deploys at highway speeds. Ferrari hasn't skipped on wheels either. Custom 24-inch forged alloys sit on Michelin Pilot Sport all-terrain tires. Yes, you heard that right. These are performance-tuned touring tires that can handle the weight of the motorhome without compromising Ferrari's legendary driving feel. Side mirrors have been replaced with cameras, seamlessly feeding into interior displays and reducing drag. Let's talk a little about the interior. While we won't go too deep in today's video, we did get a chance to peek inside and wow. Think of the interior as a blend between a LaFerrari cockpit and a high-end Italian hotel suite. Alcantara wraps the walls, carbon fiber accents are tastefully embedded throughout, and the control layout is centered around a yoke-style steering interface. The cockpit feels like a hypercar with room to stretch your legs. The living area features an electronically expanding sidewall that increases interior space when stationary. There's a two-person sleeper cabin in the rear, a galley-style kitchenette with induction cooking, and a fully integrated touchscreen system to manage everything from lighting to climate control. It's high-tech luxury, unmistakably Ferrari. Now, let's get to the part that shocked us, the performance. Underneath the sculpted body lies a twin-turbocharged V6 hybrid system derived from the 296 GTB. Ferrari has re-engineered it for torque and efficiency, giving it 860 horsepower combined and over 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.8 seconds. In a motorhome, let that sink in. Top speed, electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, though we suspect it could go further if uncapped. Power is delivered through Ferrari's 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, modified to handle the extra load, and there's an advanced torque vectoring aerodynamic system on board. Suspension? Adaptive magnetic ride control, just like their GT cars, but retuned for highway cruising and load balancing. It even includes a track mode, which stiffens the suspension, sharpens throttle response, and lets the exhaust sing a little louder. Not that you'll be track daying a motorhome, but knowing Ferrari, it's more about the statement than the practicality. So, who is this for? It's for the 1% of the 1%, those who want a taste of Maranello on every mile, whether they're headed to a motorsport event or a weekend in Monaco. It's loud, it's fast, and yes, it's red. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Ferrari's boldest creation yet, hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Legends, and let us know in the comments, would you take this beast across the country?